Okay, your money go increase. Oh.
Calm down, I won't surprise my babe, I beg. No verse, no verse. Today na Valentine.
Just wait.
Which she did now? She go market since which she...
What's going on here?
Last night was crazy.
Still big head.
I'll come pick you up in the evening.
Okay, see you.
The gate alone, oh.
God, okay.
Where are you?
I just go back home like I start coming.
Jesus!
Just see, baby.
Hi, Chief.
Child.
Babe, I don't think it's possible for us to still sit today. Let's see next week.
What do you mean?
One man picking.
You're back to the country.
Yeah, what a coincidence.
What your girlfriend be that?
What are you doing? Are you busy?
I'm not busy at all.
Come on, hop in, let's go have fun.
Until you witness her. It don't finish for you at any time. She will leave you.
You will come down, beg. Not pay me again. Yeah? Just come down.
My greatest happiness today be say.
So what's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So first and foremost, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody who has always been watching my videos. You understand? Once I drop videos, you're always there. You're dropping comments and you're sticking to the very end. I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. So thanks for that. And believe me, I won't stop giving you guys the best. Just like I'm about to present to you another fantabulous comedy compilation. So just sit back and watch. You feel me? So don't play, my people. Don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Soso, what's all this nonsense? Every girl that you see me with, you just automatically assume that we're together. You're not frustrating eyes for me. Our relationship's meant to be built on trust. See, I'm so sick of all this, your jealousy and insecurity.
She too jealous.
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
She too jealous. So
Let's have it.
Jesus! Jesus! Are you playing?
What's this?
Okay.
You think everything's a joke? See, let's just end this relationship. I don't see a future with you at all.
What am I looking at?
Are you okay?
Bombastic side eye.
Oh. I don't have the strength to deal with all this your rubbish that you're doing. Let's have it. Let's have it.
where she planning? Come on, this thing.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
What kind of playing is this?
Hey! Please, I'm begging you.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm begging. Please, I don't listen to you again.
See, the thing now be say, I know wetin my eye see last year for the hand of relationship people. Now why I don't enter relationship, you go do. Besides, Valentine they come. You know if you break up with me now, I don't solve your problem. Be another problem.
Valentine don't pass. Now yesterday.
So sit down, me no be like how they suffer you. Sit down, we must do relationship. I have solution. Sit down now, make we do content where we go post, where you keep bring life.
I don't dare my fans.
Oh my god.
I don't really understand that.
I love you so much, babe.
Happy Valentine.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine.
I love you so much, babe. I can't wait to see my gifts, the Fendi, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Oh my god,
Hello, motherfucker.
Baba,
Let's watch this video.
I don't ready for the morning ritual. Let's use my babe.
Money ritual. Can you imagine?
Emu imuni iti lagbede.
You they use your function to
Ain't be that you. Go and cook the yam. Okay. After you eat the yam finish, you don't become rich boy.
Mama the reggae.
Mama, the reggae.
Thank you.
Can you imagine? Even Babalawo they sing Mama the reggae.
Well done, sir.
Yeah, well done, brother.
My name is Investor Ahar, and I want to introduce you to Euphoria. Euphoria is a platform that helps you to monetize your social media accounts. Yes, we can pay you 20 to 50,000 naira just by watching videos on your social media platforms. And the sweetest part is that after registration,
Baba, you
get
dey disturb people when they play love now. Wetin dey worry you?
I don't want to stand here and talk too much. All you need to do is click on the link on Frosh bio. Registration is just 10k.
Sorry, are you talking to us?
Oh my god! Oh! So you mean you did not hear anything that
Now
I
you
just
mumu, you don't get sense.
Did you hear him?
I didn't hear you. Wow, sorry, we didn't even know you're talking to us.
Oh, fantastic.
Now what for you,
Okay,
bro?
come they go. People they play love, they do Valentine. They there, they talk nonsense.
Valentine is not for Christian, now for Lucian.
Hello, fine girl. Hello. My color, hello.
Yes, so I the fun guy when I go chop the money for this Valentine.
Fine girl.
You don't get money.
You like say you be Sabinus.
She don't send you come on.
Sabinus.
So.
Hey, they carry go, they go now.
I'm coming. Let me visit my girlfriend. Today is Valentine's Day, bro. Love is in the air.
Follow you come, my baby. You can see, say I don't know what I am doing again. You don't scatter my head, oh emergency. Made them call emergency. And when you whine in a madness, make me want spend, oh my God.
You don't see my shoe.
Babe, Sabinus is like a brother to me.
Hey.
He's not my type of guy. Sabinus is too broke for me.
Hey. Say you save money, go buy goods, go. Oh, damn, this guy don't get sense.
Man, I carry him, they go. If we reach Village Square, wait till we go flog you. I am talking about injury. It's okay, it's okay.
Officer, this matter no concern.
Please, what is it? Talk to me, what is it?
See this small boy, yo. Say that thief go thief for his life. Transformer who buy last week for community. People don't go that thief the feeder biller. Now transformer need to work again. Small boy like this.
Young boy, why behaving like this now? Don't you know that today is the 14th of February, season of love? And Master General's Foundation is out there showing love to people. They are doing Valentine's Street invasion. They are currently in Abuja, Lagos and Warri. They are showing love to those in deep need of help and assistance. And you're here stealing in the village. Currently now, they are doing a Valentine 1 million naira giveaway. All you need to do is to follow them on Instagram. Share the good deeds of love. Tell people the good things Master General's Foundation is doing. And you start the chance to win money. Where you go use the chop, make it stop to the thief. Stop this thing. Stop this, I don't like it. Oga Abemana pity am. Pity am, I beg.
You get luck, oh. You get luck. Come on for here.
Oga, God go bless you, God go bless you. God go bless you. Ma just collect on a number.
Okay, your phone don't go.
My phone.
When our phone don't go.
Jesus! Officer, thank you. Thank you. Catch that boy. Hold on. Hey, hold on.
Officer, what's the problem?
See this boy community won't go beat. I save him, say me they leave him. The boy still get my thief my own phone.
I better leave a sitting on the floor. I better find the phone.
You.
I mean, I owe you go carry next.
Come on, leave here. I better get your number, I beg.
You don't want to go,
My phone.
Okay.
Come my line. Hey!
You still have again.
Nasty him. No.
This is shocking.
See this boy? He don't pass Nigerian armed forces.
My God. You don't pass Nigerian forces.
Is she your girlfriend? Oh, you're so lucky. Congratulations, Mr. Barnabas. You just won yourself 2 return tickets to Dubai. Courtesy Travel Better.
Congratulations! Oh my God, baby! My dreams are finally coming true. Do you know the sky? There's a safari here.
2 return tickets.
Yes.
Courtesy Travel Better. I'll go 2 times.
What?
1 in January, 1 in December.
I don't understand. Are you okay?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Don't ditch together.
While we were coming, I overheard you on the call. Now you were saying something about accounts.
Oh, you mean account hub?
Yeah.
Oh yes, now they sell all type of social media account now. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, any social media account of your choice. You understand? And also they can also help you to boost the likes. Visit them at their website www.accounthub.com.ng.
Wow. So much appreciate.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Doing this thing for club. They doing it for club. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place.
What's the problem now? You're not forgiving me.
Baby, I'm not happy.
Why are you not happy?
My father wants to see you.
Yes, that's why I'm here. It's an honor for your dad to see me.
No, it's not an honor, baby. I think my father wants to bribe you to leave me.
Ah! That's not possible now. No amount of money can buy our love, baby girl.
So you're not leaving me.
I will never
do such a thing.
May I go enter inside
Build
first.
this relationship.
Break back, break. May I offer you money by yeah. Okay, man.
Young man.
But yes,
the one that is listening, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
This is a check of 150 million naira. Just disappear. Did you hear me? Disappear.
What did you say?
I don't understand. Your dad is trying to offer me 150 million to disappear from you. Like, why will I disappear for 150 million? What's wrong with your dad?
So did you?
Best friend on disappear.
Babe.
Me say my show.
What is your one?
Best friend on disappear.
What baby? You want another one, baby? Keke nyanya tu nyanya. Matabutu patabutu. Oh, turuboko turumbere. Ah, Jesus!
Boy,
no run! No man say abo. Come, let me talk face to face. They talk and they hear you. Akataboy, come, we need to talk. They talk and they hear you. What you have to say? Akataboy, now all these task force where government bring out, made they catch native doctors. As I walk up for road, now I see them, now take off. Now I say make I run, can't tell you. The task force they pursue you. You run, call your woman, they can't catch me at you. This is what we say. You be my man, now you be the cat, but that's it. Jesus! You don't go get out of that place. This is that they do idiot.
You think it's a joke?
Saludo, you do this one. Saludo, now you do this one.
Transfer. Hey, calm down for me, I beg. I want to surprise my babe.
Oh yeah, hurry up now.
Wait, make I call him.
Time no day, you know, say time na money.
My boyfriend, load the message.
What's up, babe?
I'm fine. I'm on my way home. You know I told you earlier I was going to the market. So I'm heading home now.
Wait, no be trap music be that.
Yes, it's from the boss.
For boss?
Yes, it's from the boss, my love.
Alright, I'm waiting for you.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay, the money go increase.
Calm down, I want to surprise my babe, I beg. No vex. Today na Valentine.
Just pray.
Which she did now? She go market since which she?
What's going on here?
Last night was crazy.
Still big head.
I'll come pick you up in the evening.
Okay, see you.
The gate alone,
God, okay.
Where are you?
Nah, just go back home like I start coming.
Jesus! Just say baby.
Hi, Chief.
I'm gonna watch.
Babe, I don't think it's possible for us to still sit today. Let's see next week.
What do you mean?
One man begin.
You're back to the country.
Yeah, what a coincidence.
What your girlfriend be that? What are you doing? Are you busy?
I'm not busy at all.
Come on, hop in. Let's go have fun.
Until you witness her. He don't finish for you at any time. She will leave you.
You will come down, beg. No pay me again.
No pay me again.
Let's come down.
My greatest happiness today be say everybody una do advice before. Wait fail to listen to my advice. They later see the consequences.
On the Valentine.
Tell them. See what just happened. See money. Na gari, oga. Na gari kosa. Nothing you want tell me. Na gari.
Kill.
Now what you gari dey call? Say you got this thing. Gari dey make person know the secret. Abeg.
Neighbor? I don't chop finish. I want the ghost. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't give my own Valentine gifts. I know why your story. Oh yeah, where my own?
Oh, Agkaay, neighbor. By month end, as I dey collect my salary, now you are go first remember.
I beg clam beg you.
Ah.
African parents. When your father enter inside room. You never see them kiss in the presence of their kids, nothing. But every time, the woman will be pregnant.
See Valentine. What do you dey think? Since you dey, your body just dey do you, buy her gift, you dey hold yourself back. Because of say you not too get money.
They spend last card for love, na him be man. They empty account for love, na him be man.
Bad advice.
You do am for love. Men they do things for love.
Madiba, you don't come again.
Guess, good things
your
wey they do
nonsense.
for guess. Guess not they forget.
Nonsense comedy.
If you go run and not the reason now. If you want borrow safe. You go run and sharp. Movie, make you go purchase the thing you want purchase.
Make it catch you.
I tell her say guess not they forget. I tell her say guess not they forget. And when they don't tell her say, what have you done for me? Hey, my God, guess not they forget.
Nonsense advice. If your babe surprises you this week, what will you do?
Babe, what are you covering? Who is here with you? Babe, I say who is here with you?
Nobody.
Babe, nobody.
Babe, nobody.
Nobody's here.
I go lie for you.
Nobody's here.
Babe, there is nobody there. Babe, nobody. I say nobody, babe. Babe, nobody here. I swear.
Nobody there.
Just tell me beans and bread.
Nobody.
Just tell me beans and bread.
Nobody. Babe, nobody. Hey. You see anybody? Hey. You see anybody, babe? You see anybody?
Oh, babe. Babe, this is my Valentine gift. Not that I'm gifting their girlfriend for Valentine. Not giving me any gift, eh? I been listening time, don't they go?
Were you not the one that just call me baby and you're asking baby for a Valentine gift? Yes. Where you want me baby see money?
Me, God, don't you call me baby? Don't you ask me for sex? Babe, they knock.
And they shame for you. No, Smirajan, as much you don't see best and lessons. Are they no ladies like you?
And they shame for you too. Let me play like carry Jarvis go vacation for South Africa for vow. Not be man like you. They don't man like you.
Never reach like that. Jarvis will still lose Gapella.
You must give me Valentine gifts.
Checkers, calm down. Me know you to guide this year. Next year, if I guide, I'll do Valentine gifts for you.
If you not give me Valentine gifts, we are breaking up. We are breaking up.
Women. Before you break up with me, I'm very, very depressed right now. I don't know whether if you follow me, go inside, let me go give you doggy.
It's like you're not even serious. So you're high, right?
Alpha Showman, you don't free now. Will you be my va?
Yes, I will be. My boyfriend is not even serious at all.
Hey, what am I going to do?
Because I no get rapper. Believe me, follow Dapper. See me I go wear pampers. The matter scatter mad. Cause Valentine no fit pass by. They cannot buy you handbag. I love you, Pastor Rasta. Why you no one understand?
Not go walk, you go cry. At the end of the last comment of it.
Boki, you are a pinner. Me also me call tell you say that my checkers don't break my heart. Me on the con your ass, so me I want to gather shop that rice where they talk about that day.
I need to be wise.
In the name of the Father, we're here, ladies and gentlemen, to witness the joining of our beloved brethren, Brother Ola and Sister Josie.
Okay.
Before we continue, I'm going to take a word from Genesis chapter 2, verse 24. Therefore, a man shall leave his father and his mother, and he shall leave unto his wife, and they shall become one. Brother Ola, what do you have to join your beautiful wife here?
You.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son. Is everything okay?
Hello? Customer at the shop? I the compass.
Can you imagine? Customer at the shop for your wedding. Ola, you mumu. You really move. What you want to go? You want to go market car?
Yeah, in 2 minutes, I beg, in 2 minutes.
Now market you want to go do. You want to go market car, nothing you want them. Just wait. This car is full OOL group.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine, Mr.
Daniel.
Yeah, sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem.
Welcome to OOL Autos, home of luxury cars that fit into your budget. How can I be of help today, sir?
So far so good. I mean, I've been, hearing lately you guys have like the best deal in town. That's why I'm here today. So please kindly, give me like the list of cars you have.
Oh, that's fine. We have every cars you need. Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, Mercedes, any car at all. Look at nice, beautiful cars in our compound. Guess what? They are affordable. Which one are you going to go for, sir?
The Lamborghini Euros.
Nice choice, sir. I love your choice, I mean.
It stands out for me. I mean, the adrenaline rush. That's what I want to go for.
So when would you like to get it, sir?
I want it right now. I'm getting it right now.
Oh my God, let me just get the paper ready then.
We talk about
no showing the car for outside now. We're locked in.
We're kind and ties them focus on us.
Thank you so much for your patronage, sir.
Leave them when they come to the circle.
You're welcome, sir. Enjoy your new ride. You're welcome.
What? Village people.
Who's going here? I beg, no face, na business. I beg.
Business?
No face. What? Beef.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Hello? Another customer?
We are in business now. Like we need like 7 billion, like 7 billion customers.
Almost see cars, man. I love cars. I don't get. See cars. Lexus. OL Group. OL Auto.
You see those boys, man? That is how they play with them, but I can never.
More fair reach that place.
You know me, I can never. Solo? Which kind of nonsense be this one?
You think it's a joke?
How dare you follow the waka? You come the waka like who know where?
It be like you know this street will enter. See this street now, bad boys food that street. You need to form capon. You need to form like say your leg no good so that those boys they go avoid you. If not, those boys go collect everything where you get.
Which kind of nonsense be that one now? Street where we say everybody they pass. You can't just say waiting around. What do you mean?
If you like, no follow my footstep. If not, they go collect everything where you get.
The second time, this guy are very anyhow person.
What's going on here?
Now what did they pursue now?
The robbers for that front, they collect everything we get.
Is that the way they talk now true?
The Yara. Shabi the Yara.
Okay, what's that? Means I go follow you.
See this street? Okay, it's full everywhere for this street.
You
say? If you like no phone bad boy.
God forbid. No, I swear, that's the only one.
You know they look at anybody face me. Very bad.
If you want, I need to form bad boy. When they don't collect everything.
Yes, now.
See this one where they come. But I said the guy get the same update.
Yes, they go don't tell them more than this. See how the street bad rich.
Yes, boys. 2 seconds. Wanna remit everything other about it now.
You say? Bros, both of us get the same update where they use. Which one be this thing where they told me will remove? Let's spray the code.
When you? Who the follow do format and update? I said 2 seconds. Remit everything other about it now. Oh, I go cripple on here.
Cripple, if I know cripple.
Ask me, cripple.
I don't follow and laugh. What the see you?
Okay, how now come be that?
No, naturalistic.
2 seconds. Remit everything.
You think it's a joke?
Look there. What did I say there?
Another cripple.
Now the same this one, the acute one in the crop.
Now I can't be that.
Capon na cripple.
Now this same format, cripple.
Now wait.
Come on, give me. Come on. Give me this one. And I did juice.
You don't come on my chieftaincy title.
Come on, man, I'm for you now.
Who go see them? What's it about there?
I feel like cripple now.
Nigerians, I beg.
Who's gonna pray for me? When you're the only one thinking differently.
Thanks, stay tuned.
No more Valentine, guys, they happy. This one they surprised.
Hey! After the gift I don't pay for this, maybe I won't go surprise her. Oh no!
Mumu, you don't go on. What does the happy say? No more Valentine. Make right.
Bad guy.
It's a nice concept. That one malam that does not understand slangs, but sells
Question, Dada. Me also me call tell you say I want buy CDs. Me I know they say CDs for Oga. If you want buy CDs, that Oga waiting for that side.
CDs.
Just one don't come and say. You want wait James Bond, a Rambo, he drop 2025 wallahi. That is not what I'm trying to say. And me I want buy CDs. To me nene CDs come if no be DVD cassette. Oh, you want buy condom? You go say you won't buy condom when how? You condom confuse me. You go say you won't buy condom. That's more of my need. How many condom you won't buy? 2 pack. Okay, go like a shower well far. When 2 pack. Hey, when you want I will come and pay you later. You don't have money now. You go come pay me later. Customer, every time they tell me later. When you know well, I give you Panado Extra. I give you Antinata. I give you Mattel. I give you Yellow Capsule. You never give me my money since. I know, but it doesn't really matter. You are my guy. If I get money, I'll come and pay you. Have a nice day. Now because I'm saying are you. Now because I'm saying are you for. When one and then the wear skate.
You know the wear skate, can you go?
Machine gun be wale, bedu to wale.
Who be that? Oh my God, my eyes.
If I like pity this boy.
So babe, do you want me to get something to eat?
Just a bit water. Thank you, love.
Please, what are you going to do about my girlfriend's case?
About your girlfriend case, you either give me 20 million naira. Or you come and meet me in the hotel.
Not one.
Okay, what?
Something like this they happen. Woman to guy.
What's going on here?
Yeah, you don't release her. My guy don't go hotel, come back. Voila. Yeah, tell her what you do when make her make the release.
How did you do it? Hello? I need 5 packs of energy drinks and 10 packs of condoms.
She will be her lawyer clothes. Everything they come hotel. You know what she said? This lawyer no get sense.
You didn't trust Adam.
Hey!
Trust my.
Wait. What the fuck?
Hey.
Come on, let's go inside. Our wife.
Doesn't Edoboy have a girlfriend?
Yes, he has a girlfriend.
So who's that girl that is with?
Maybe business partners to plan critical business.
Business. I'm a child, Abby.
Are you playing?
I'm sure that's what you do when I'm not around.
No, that's not me now.
Nine get the girl, fa. Nine get the girl, fa.
Bring it.
Nine get the girl, fa.
Bring it. Bring it.
Alpha, see what are you?
Jesus!
Just wait for me inside.
Now who else? Who else with the order?
She know your babe don't see me as bad egg. What my babe sees you as doesn't matter. It's what I see you as. What do you see me as? My goat.
My goat.
My guy.
Now why do they call her goat?
Move on. And me and you go chop that babe.
Spyro.
Who is your guy? Can you imagine? Crazy guys everywhere. Crazy guys everywhere. There's so many guys that are guilty of this. So many guys are guilty of this. Me, I'm not part of them because I don't cheat. I don't cheat, man. My hands are clean. So guys, tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? No, sorry. First and foremost, thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate you guys sticking to the very end. So now tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right there in the comment section. And check out my other videos. You know, normal now they get confirmed videos from my channel. You understand? So check them out and make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share my videos. Make sure to drop nice comments. You feel me? So thanks, guys. And see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.